We'll call this meeting to order. I'm Jim Ananick, Board Chair of the Michigan Gaming Control Board. Board Member Palms will not be present at today's meeting. We have a quorum to proceed with today's meeting to decide various matters listed on the agenda. There will be an opportunity for public comment later in the agenda after the business portion is completed. Anyone wishing to address the board must fill out a request form, which is available at the reception table outside of the hearing room entrance. Section 2, consider approval of minutes of the board's regular public meeting held on June 10th, 2025. Board members have been provided with a copy of the prepared minutes of the board's last public meeting held on June 10th, 2025. For review prior to today's meeting, do members have any corrections, additions, or deletions to the prepared minutes? All right, seeing none. Board member Lambert Bounds, can we please have a motion to adopt the prepared minutes?
So moved.
There is a motion. Is there support?
Support.
It's been moved and supported. Is there any question? Is there any discussion? Seeing none, after discussion, take a voice vote on the motion. Okay, is that, do I do? Oh yeah, I'm sorry, I forget. It's been a couple months. All those in favor say aye.
Aye.
Aye. All opposed say nay. The ayes have it. Now the motion passes. Excuse me. Before we move on to other agenda items, I would like to take a moment to welcome the new employees to the agency. Are there any new employees present? Yeah, if you would want to stand up, we'd like to recognize you and welcome you. Thank you very much for being a part of our organization. Thanks and congratulations. And welcome and thank you. The first item of business is to consider the executive directors and the casino operation division's recommendations regarding level 1 and level 2 occupational license applications. The board employee licensing staff has completed the background investigations of 75 level 1 and level 2 occupational license applicants since the board's last regular public meeting. All board members have been provided a copy of Exhibit 1, which summarizes the staff's recommendations to grant applications for the reasons specified in the related background investigation reports. Are there any questions? Okay, seeing none. Board member Evanson, can we please have a motion to approve the occupational license applications as listed and recommended in Exhibit 1?
So moved.
Is there support for the motion?
Support.
Okay, is there any discussion? All right, seeing none. All in favor say aye.
Aye.
Aye. Opposed, same. The motion passes. Orders will be issued accordingly. Next item is consideration of the Executive Director's report and Licensing Investigations Division regarding the pending supplier license request of Cardinal Marketing LLC, Push Gaming Limited, Push Gaming Product Limited, Push Gaming USA LLC, RAM or RAM Construction Services of Michigan Inc. Each board member is provided with the copies of the reports for review prior to today's meeting. Each applicant was given notice the board would consider a supplier license request at today's meeting. Board staff is present to answer any questions board members may have regarding the requests. Are there any questions? Okay, board member Thor Davis, may we please have a motion to approve the supplier license application as recommended?
So moved.
Thank you. Is there support?
Support.
It's been moved and supported. All in favor? Is there any discussion?
Board Chair, before you officially vote, can you go back the fourth name there, Push Gaming? I believe it's Push Gaming US LLC.
I'm
Could
sorry.
you just repeat that
Go back
for the
and make
record?
sure. Can we make, will this amend the motion to correct the
Okay,
name to Push Gaming US LLC?
thank you.
Seeing no objections?
Yeah.
Okay, seeing no more discussion. All in favor say aye.
Aye.
Aye. Opposed, nay. The motion passes. Orders will be issued accordingly. Next item is consideration of the Executive Director's reports and Licensing and Investigation Division's recommendations regarding the pending supplier license renewal requests of Acres Manufacturing Company, Ainsworth Game Technology Limited, Cadillac Travel Inc., Del Bene, B-E-N-E, Produce Inc., Everything Under the Sun LLC, Galaxy Gaming Inc. with new key persons, Galaga Merger Sub Inc., Galaxia Gaming Holdco LLC, Galaxia Gaming Vote Co. LLC, Evolution Malta Holding Limited, Evolution AB, Martin Olaf Carlsund, and Paul, P-A-L, Jesper von Bar. Gaming Laboratories International LLC, which is a separate name, Guideline Mechanical Inc., MGP Lesser LLC, and Sports Information Services Limited, doing business as Cambi. KMBI. Each board member has been provided with copies of the report to review prior to today's meeting. Each applicant was given notice the board would consider its supplier license renewal request at today's meeting. Board staff is present to answer any questions board members may have regarding the requests. Are there any questions? Okay, seeing none. Board member Lambert Bounds, may we please have a motion to approve the supplier license renewals as recommended?
So moved.
Is there support?
Support.
Any discussion? Seeing none. All in favor say aye.
Aye.
Aye. Opposed, nay. The motion passes. Orders will be issued accordingly. Next item is the consideration of the Executive Director's reports and Licensing and Investigations Division's recommendations regarding the pending request for approval of new key provisions of supplier licensee. 888 Atlantic Limited with new key person Susan Standiford. ASF Ltd. doing business as Angstrom with new key persons Daphne Goussard. BetMGM LLC doing business as Roar Digital with new key persons Daphne Goussard. Intane Marketing, in parentheses UK, Limited with new key persons Daphne Goussard. Galaxy Gaming Inc. with new key persons Gallagher Merger Sub Inc., Galaxy Gaming Holding Company LLC, Galaxy Gaming Vote Co. LLC, Evolution Malta Holding Limited, Evolution AB, Martin Olaf Carlson, and Paul Jesper von Bar. Genius Sports Media Inc., doing business as Genius Sports. Bet Genius with new key persons Kenneth Jeffrey K. and Robert Joseph Bach. Konami Gaming Inc. with new key persons Yoko Karen Zutterland. Rush Street Interactive Michigan LLC with new key persons Thomas Jean Noel Winter. Spectate Limited with new key persons Susan Sandiford. Stadium Technology LLC with new key persons Daphne Goussard. VHL Michigan LLC with new key persons Susan Sandiford. Wasden Michigan LLC with new key persons Stitching Wasden. Each board member has been provided with copies of the report to review prior to today's meeting. Each applicant was given notice the board will consider its request at today's meeting. Board staff is present to answer any questions board members may have regarding their requests. Are there any questions? Seeing none, board member Everson, may we please have a motion to approve the applications for new key persons as recommended?
So moved.
Is there support for the motion?
Support.
It's been moved and supported. Any discussion? Seeing none, all in favor say aye.
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 Aye. All opposed, nay. Motion passes. Orders will be issued accordingly. Next item is consideration of the Executive Director's reports and Licensing and Investigations Division's recommendations regarding the pending request for approval of new key persons of Internet Gaming Operator and Sports Betting Operator licensee. Little River Casino Resort, Enterprise of Little River Band of Ottawa Indians, with new key person Michael Lloyd Schrader. Schrader. Each board member has been provided with a copy of the report for review prior to today's meeting. Each applicant was given notice that the board would consider its request at today's meeting. Board staff is present to answer any questions board members may have regarding the requests. Are there any questions? Seeing none, board member Thora Davis, may we please have a motion to approve the application for new key persons as recommended?
So moved.
Is there support?
Support.
It's been moved and supported. Is there any discussion? Seeing none, all in favor say aye.
Aye.
Aye. Opposed, nay. Motion passes. Orders will be issued accordingly. Next item is consideration of the Executive Director's reports and Licensing and Investigations Division's recommendations regarding the transfer of interest for Galaxy Gaming Inc. and Wasden MI, it's Michigan, I assume, LLC. Each board member has been provided with the copies of the reports for review prior to today's meeting. Each applicant was given notice. The board would consider its request at today's meeting. Board staff is present to answer any questions board members may have regarding the requests. Are there any questions? All right, seeing none. Board member Lambert Bounds, may we please have a motion to approve the transfer of interest as recommended?
So moved.
Is there support?
Support.
Any discussion? Seeing none, all in favor say aye.
Aye.
Aye. Opposed, nay. The ayes have it. The motion passes. The orders will be issued accordingly. Next item is the consideration of the acknowledgement of violation of supplier licensee, Crown MI Gaming LLC, doing business as DraftKings. Each board member has been provided with a copy of the report, acknowledgement of a violation for review prior to today's meeting. like to ask Assistant Attorney Bethany McCune to come forward to briefly summarize the violations and facts involved.
So this is a self-reported incident for the time period of December 9th, 2023 through January 5th of 2024, where 15 patrons were allowed to exceed their self-imposed wagering limits. An investigation was conducted. The parties were given an opportunity to come in and show compliance. They've provided a mitigation statement and have agreed to the $5,000 fine that has been accepted by the executive director, and we're asking you to enter an order accepting and adopting the acknowledgement of violation with the mitigation statement.
Thank you. Is there a representative from DraftKings present? And if so, come forward and identify yourself for the record.
I believe there's a representative online wishing to speak.
Hi, this is Jake List from DraftKings. Are you able to hear me?
Yes.
Yes.
Good morning, Commissioners. Thank you for the opportunity to speak. My name's Jake List, and I'm the Senior Director of Regulatory Gaming Compliance at DraftKings. I've worked with the MGCV since the launch of Sportsbook and iGaming in 2021, and have very much appreciated the productive rapport that we have with the division staff that we've developed during that time. Regarding the issue at hand, as described, this was a software impacting the calculation of our responsible gaming limits. We did self-identify and report the issue, and are confident that the expansion of our testing and controls since has provided protection against similar issues. We do appreciate the Commission's time and review in this matter, and look forward to continuing to build a strong regulatory relationship in Michigan. I would be happy to answer any questions that the Commissioners may have.
Thank you very much. Are there any questions? We have no questions at this time. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you. Appreciate it. Board Member Evanson, may we please have a motion to accept the acknowledgement of the violation?
So moved.
This is support for the motion.
Support.
Any discussion? Seeing none. All in favor say aye.
Aye.
Aye. Opposed, nay. Motion passes. An order will be issued accordingly. Thank you very much. The next item is consideration of a proposal for decision regarding occupational licensee. The name is Andre Gooch. Each board member has been provided with a copy of the agency record for review prior to today's meeting. The licensee was given notice. The board will consider the agency record regarding the proposal for decision at today's meeting. Assistant Attorney General Bethany McCune will briefly summarize the facts involved. Thank you.
This is a level 2 occupational licensee who was a security officer at the Motor City Casino. He was arrested on a felony uttering and publishing charge, eventually convicted of a misdemeanor for check non-sufficient funds of $100 or more. Under the Gaming Control and Revenue Act, it's a mandatory ineligibility for a felony or misdemeanor to hold an occupational license, and there's also a suitability provision also for misdemeanors involving theft. This is also a failure to cooperate. The regulation officer in the employee licensing section sent multiple notifications trying to get additional information, and those were not complied with. So the license was summarily suspended. It did go to hearing. He did not attend the hearing. You do have the proposal for decision in front of you, asking you to revoke this license and enter an order accordingly.
Thank you very much. Are there any questions from board members? Oh, I'm sorry, I just skipped ahead. Is Mr. Gooch or his representative present or on the call and wishing to address the board? If so, please come forward and identify yourself for the record. It appears he is not, or no representative is here. I want to make sure I note that for the record that the licensee or a representative is not present. Thank you. Are there any questions for board members? Okay, thank you. Board Member Thrower Davis, can we please have a motion to accept the proposal for decision?
So moved.
Thank you. Is there support?
Support.
It's been moved and supported. Are there any discussion? Okay, seeing none. All in favor say aye.
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 Aye. Opposed, nay. Motion passes. An order will be issued accordingly. Thank you. Next item is to consider the proposed public meeting schedule for 2025, 2026. Ask board members if they have any concerns or conflicts with the date. Okay.
I believe
Chair, I believe that I have noted that I've got a conflict for the October 14th date.
Okay, thank you. But it shouldn't affect quorum, right?
No.
Okay, great. Thank you. Board Member Lambert Bounds, may we please have a motion to accept the proposed 2025, 2026 public meeting schedule?
So moved.
Thank you. Is there support?
Support.
Moved and supported. Is there any discussion? Seeing none, all in favor say aye.
Aye.
Aye. Opposed, nay. The motion passes. The final schedule will be posted on the agency's website now that it's approved. Other business, no other business at this time. Public comment. We are now at the point of the board's meeting when members of the public may come forward and offer comments regarding the business of the board. Anne Marie, do we have any requests?
There are no requests for public comment.
Okay. I'm going to call on each board member to, separately call on each person who has submitted a request to make public comment to the board. So we have none. If there are no requests for comment, I'll say so for the record, which I'm doing right now. There are no comments. There are no folks coming forward to speak in the public record. The board's next scheduled public meeting will be Tuesday, September 9th, 2025 at 10 a.m. Next, we will consider a motion to go into closed session pursuant to Section 8E and 8H of the Open Meetings Act. This is to consult with our attorney regarding trial strategy in connection with the Court of Claims case number 25-000117-MM, and to receive notification of persons placed in the dissociated persons list since the board's last closed session. Since the board's June 10th, 2025 public meeting, several applications have been received from individuals requesting to be placed in the board's disassociated persons list as part of their treatment for compulsive gambling problems under Section 25 of the Michigan Gaming Control and Revenue Act. The Act and Board Resolution number 2001-06 require the board to be provided with confidential notification of the names of all individuals placed on the disassociated persons list since the board's last closed session. Board Member Evanson, will you please have a motion to go into closed session?
So moved.
Thank you. Is there support?
Support.
It's been moved and supported. Any discussion? Seeing none. Anne Marie, will you take a roll call on the motion?
On the motion to go into closed session following this portion of today's public meeting, all those in favor say aye. Opposed, nay. Chair Member Antonik?
Aye.
Board Member Lambert Bounds?
Aye.
Board Member Thrower Davis?
Aye.
Board Member Evanson?
Aye.
Okay. The motion passes. And we will go into closed session. Thank you. Thank you. We will resume. Thank you. We will resume our open meeting portion. Motion to approve the minutes of the board June 10th, 2025 closed session. Board members will be provided with a copy of the prepared minutes of the board's last closed session, which was held on June 10th, 2025, reviewed prior to today's meeting. Do board members have any corrections, additions, or deletions to the prepared minutes? Okay, seeing none. Board Member Thrower Davis, may we please have a motion to adopt the prepared minutes?
So moved.
Thank you. Is there support?
Support.
Is there any discussion? Seeing none, all in favor say aye.
Aye.
Aye. Opposed, nay. The motion passes. The motion passes. Thank you. Motion and adjourn. Board Member Lambert Bounds, may we please have a motion to adjourn?
So moved.
Is there support?
Support.
I doubt there's any discussion, but I'll offer it. All in favor say aye.
Aye.
Aye. Motion passes. We are adjourned.